So this is for, I believe ORD has it for the 82 to 87 square bodies. This is an 86 K5 Blazer, specifically M1009 Cuck V, but it's going to be the same for standard K5s or half-ton pickups. So there's going to be a little L bracket here. Mine, I lost my original hardware, so I just used some of the original hardware that it came with. I lost the hardware that the kit came with, so I had to use some of the old hardware. So this bracket right there, those two are the original bolts. There's a little 90-degree bracket that goes in there. So I replaced the ORD comes with this bracket that's right there that's installed. So I used the original bolts there, and then there's another hardware bolts. I had to email them for which bolts I needed. And you just replace the bracket there, real straightforward, pretty easy. This is in front of the cross member, obviously by the steering box to brace it. And then if you come to the back here, it's pretty straightforward also. Sorry for the bad lighting. There's just two bolts that hold in the steering box. Make sure to inspect. I didn't get in there as much as I'd like to, but I took some pictures with the flashlight to try and see if I could see any cracks or anything like that. Nothing from what I could tell. This brace kit is not if you have already cracked your frame. This is to prevent it. So you put in just the two bolts that are in there, and the original ones that it come with, come with the truck, or these guys are a little shorter, and it comes with a spacer. So your ORD kit will come with, let's get some better lighting, will come with these, the hardware for those guys right there. And then there's one hole you have to drill if you have the 87 to or 82 to 87 square body, and it just clears the brake lines here and everything. So make sure that it's in the up position, because when you put these bolts in, I didn't tighten them up all the way yet because I haven't bolted this in. Just make sure that there's room for it, that it's not coming in contact with any of the brakes. And you're supposed to drill, if I can even see, come around here, you're supposed to drill that little guy out right there, that little pinhole you see in the middle of the screen on the cross member. You're supposed to drill that guy out to get the bolt through there, which is going to be our last one right here. If you have a different kit, I believe the 75 to 80 kit or something like that, don't quote me on any of this, you're going to need this guy. But on this kit, which is for the 82 to 87 square bodies, you're going to use the longer bolt there. I also bought a lock washer, which I'm going to be using. So that's kind of a quickie, shitty overview, but you can get the idea. Hopefully this helps a little bit for installing your ORD cross steering brace kit, if I can even say it right.